Okay, so I just moved to this place. I did buy something that was more like this big. It was fantastic. It's its equivalent, but I needed more room. Definitely think my oven and microwave is going to fit. When I mentioned chips, this is what I mean. Super tiny. You probably didn't notice it until I pointed it out, right? So there's that. And also I'm missing 3 of these. But, you know, considering I saved like $40 buying it used, I think it's worth trying out used. Overall, really pretty. I love it.
Because the screws are in on this side, but when you come on this side, the screws are not here to put the vegetable slash fruit bin. So I didn't end up putting this on, which is whatever, but it was fairly easy to put together, except for like now I can't use my bin and I really don't feel like returning it.